Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building the quiz in Google Forms so questions, correct answers, and point values are ready. This saves time during the meeting. Once done, join the meet as host and enable participant permissions you need. Make sure to test the form in preview mode and have a separate tab open for sharing. Now position your windows. Meet on one screen or window and the quiz form in another so you can switch quickly and maintain flow. You share the quiz tab in Meet and announce the timing, scoring, and how to submit. Clarity reduces confusion. Then post the direct form link in chat so participants can open it themselves if needed and tell them when the quiz closes. While participants answer, keep Meet controls visible and monitor responses in the form responses sheet. This helps detect submission issues early. If you see delays, remind participants of remaining time. You end the quiz by closing submissions in the form and announcing the finish so everyone knows time is up. This prevents late entries. Next, open responses in sheets to compute scores, verify automatic grading, and prepare feedback. If a participant reports an ability to submit, ask for a timestamp screenshot and consider manual scoring for fairness. One key troubleshooting tip: if many fail to submit, check Meet permissions and network issues, then extend time or reopen the form for affected users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.